the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, has been called a lot of things, but not a party until you said it. What does this mean exactly?
So imagine for a second that a whole group of your most successful peers is having a party,
Yes.
but you're not invited.
I'm listening to you. A lot of people don't think it's a party, but you've uncovered something, so keep going.
Yeah, so if you're a CFO or a CEO or an independent broker of a self-funded organization anywhere in the United States, then there's one question you need to ask yourself.
Which is what?
How do I get invited to the party?
All right, so explain to us. You actually say this is an opportunity.
Yep.
There's a competitive advantage here that people can have. What is that about?
The metaphorical party is, how do I use the Affordable Care Act, otherwise known as Obamacare, as a competitive advantage? How do I take advantage and arbitrage the healthcare markets in the United States?
How do we do it? How do we I know there are a few pieces, but give us a little bit.
Yeah, well, a lot of clients tell us they're really, really frustrated with the whole healthcare renewal process. It feels a lot like Groundhog Day. I don't know if you've ever seen the movie, but
Yes.
this year feels a lot like last year, the year before that, and 3 years ago and 5 years ago. And so they're really sick and tired of being and feeling like they're trapped, reacting to another rate increase every year because it just keeps going up.
Okay, so there's some big opportunities here, and you're eliminating risk. Explain to us what both of these are.
Yeah. Conventional wisdom today really has everybody focusing on three basic healthcare risk management strategies. Number one, risk mitigation, and then risk reduction and risk transference. And the problem is those are all just incremental little savings to the programs that are out there. And so if I had to characterize healthcare consulting for the last, say, 5 years,
Yeah.
I would describe it as, I couldn't fix your brakes, so I made your horn louder.
Nice.
Right?
We don't love the idea of that, but that's what's happening
Yeah.
essentially.
Yeah, essentially that's what's happening, and so they're missing the point.
Yeah.
And the point is, the most powerful strategy that anybody can leverage in healthcare risk consulting is eliminating the claims altogether, eliminating the risk.